In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you're planning a quick catch-up with a colleague or setting up a large team meeting, Google Meet makes it easy to schedule and organize your virtual gatherings. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing meetgoogle.com in the address bar. This will take you to the Google Meet homepage, where you can start setting up your meeting. It's important to ensure you're logged in to the correct Google account that you plan to use for your meeting. Now that you're on the Google Meet landing page, look for the option that says New Meeting. Click on it. When you click New Meeting, you're presented with a few options, but for scheduling purposes, select Schedule in Google Calendar. This choice seamlessly links your meeting with your Google Calendar, adding convenience for both you and the participants you invite. When you click this option, it opens the Google Calendar interface in a new tab. Next, you'll want to enter a meeting title in the designated field. Think about a title that clearly describes the purpose of the meeting. A descriptive title helps participants understand what the meeting will be about right from their calendar view. Once you've got the title sorted, set the date and time for your meeting. Use the calendar widget to pick the appropriate date and time that work for you. Be mindful of time zones, especially if participants are located in different regions. Google Calendar will adjust appropriately, but always double-check to avoid confusion. Now, for meetings that need to recur at regular intervals, click on the option labeled Does Not Repeat. This opens a drop-down menu where you can specify a recurrence pattern, such as daily or weekly. Choose the option that best suits your schedule and the meeting's purpose. After setting up these basic details, you'll notice a Join with Google Meet link has been automatically created for you. Click the copy icon next to this link. This action copies the conference info, including the meeting link, to your clipboard, ready for sharing. When everything looks good, finalize the event by clicking Save. This step ensures your meeting is scheduled and visible on your calendar. Finally, to inform and invite participants, share the calendar invite or simply send out the Google Meet link you copied earlier. Participants can join the meeting using this link, ensuring everyone is on the same page and ready for the meeting. And there you have it. Learn how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet effortlessly. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize your virtual communications, ensuring seamless interactions with your colleagues or friends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.